In today's video, I am going to show you how to restore your Snapchat streak without paying. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your Snapchat streak for free, what you need to do is to open the Snapchat application. Click on your profiles icon at the top left corner of your screens and then click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and below this support tab, click on I need help. Then tap on contact us. Now select this option that says I lost my snap streak. Then scroll down and click on I am having trouble restoring my Snapchat streak. Again scroll down and below this still need help option, click on yes. Okay, now in order to restore your Snapchat streak, you will be required to fill out this form. So first click on this drop down and select a different issue. Then enter your Snapchat username. And after that, enter the email address and mobile number that is linked with your Snapchat account. Then mention the date on which you lost the Snapchat streak with your friend. After that, mention your friend's name with whom you lost the Snapchat streak. Then enter how long your Snap streak was before it expired. And in this final description box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that you lost your Snapchat streak with your friend and now you want to recover it. Once you have done that, tap on submit. And after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your Snapchat streak will be restored for free. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.